Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Canva document or Canva design template with anyone. So I have this document. This is actually a presentation. And if you want to share the document, let's say with your coworkers, or you want to share the document to the public, then the first thing that you need to do is go to the share button. If you want to share a document with your coworkers or within your limited group, then you can enter their name or their email here, and you can share a URL, and they will also get some notification that you just share a document or a template in Canva. Now, if you want to share a document to the public, so anyone can see the document, but they don't interact or they don't collaborate in the document, then you want to select this option that says public view link. When you do it, it will give you an option to create public view link. Click on it. And when you copy the link and let's say open it in an incognito window, you'll see that anyone, even without Canva account, can see the document. They can basically interact, but they cannot change anything. They cannot comment on the document. They cannot add suggestions. So this is purely for viewing the document. But if you want to share the document or the design, oh, by the way, you can delete the public view link later. If you want to stop sharing the document, you can click on it and click delete public view link. So anyway, if you want to share the document as a template so other people can work on the document, they can basically create something new from the document or the template that you created, then you can go to the share button again and click see all and select template link. This is the option that you want to open, and click create template link, click copy. And just to give you a quick demonstration, this is what they are going to see. They are going to see an option to use this template for a new design. Don't worry, they are not going to change anything. When they click this button, they will be greeted by a new document. It's not going to be your document anymore. It's just a copy of your document that they can work on. So I'm not using any kind of account. That's why it's offering me to use my account or to register on the platform, but this is not going to be related to your document. So whatever they made in this document, it's going to be theirs, not yours. Your document will stay intact. So yeah, that is the option to share a template link. You can always delete the template link later. And that's basically it. That's how you can share your design or your document in Canva with URL, or if you want to share the template for anyone to work on. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.